Welcome to this meditation for stress release. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently, and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs fill up completely. Then, slowly exhale through your mouth, letting all the tension and stress begin to melt away. Now, let's begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at ease. As you breathe in, imagine you are drawing in calm, peaceful energy. As you breathe out, let go of any stress or tension that you may be holding onto. Allow your shoulders to drop and relax, and let the muscles in your face soften. Pause for a few moments. Let's now bring your awareness to different parts of your body, starting at the top of your head. Slowly scan your body from head to toe, noticing any areas where you might be holding tension. Bring your attention to your forehead. Relax the muscles there. Allow any tightness to dissolve. Now, move down to your eyes. Soften your gaze, even though your eyes are closed. Let your cheeks relax, your jaw unclench, and your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Bring your attention down to your neck and shoulders. Feel them becoming lighter as you release any tension. Let them sink into the surface beneath you. Now, move your awareness down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your hands. Feel your arms becoming heavy and relaxed. Next, shift your focus to your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. As you breathe in, fill your lungs with calmness. As you exhale, let go of stress. Bring your awareness to your stomach. Allow it to soften, releasing any tension or tightness. Now, move down to your hips and pelvis. Let go of any tightness you may feel here. This area to sink deeper into relaxation. Move down to your thighs, knees, calves, and finally your feet. Imagine any remaining tension draining out of your body through your feet and into the ground below. Pause. Now that your body is relaxed, let's take a moment to quiet the mind. If any stressful thoughts arise, simply observe them without judgment, and let them drift away like clouds passing through the sky. Imagine yourself standing in a peaceful place, a quiet beach, a serene forest, or a beautiful garden. Feel the calmness of this place. Hear the soothing sounds around you, the gentle breeze, and the sense of safety and peace. This is your place of calm, and you can return here whenever you need. Take a few more deep breaths, and with each inhale, breathe in the calm and tranquility of this place. With each exhale, let go of any remaining stress. Pause. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. When you feel ready, open your eyes, carrying with you this sense of peace and relaxation. Take one last deep breath in and out. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your body and mind. You are calm, you are at peace, and you can carry this feeling with you throughout the rest of your day.